Hey Matt, here at 911R on Ray Trailer, Avant-Garde. We have this 2015 458 Speciale that's ending right now, and this might be a quick little walk around on the car. The car has full S-Tech PPF on it, and it's been impregnated with ceramic coating, so that's always great for tech. Tires were installed at the Ferrari dealer in 2021, so they are fresh and have very few miles on it. The car's great condition all around. We see the inside, all the out interior, the dash, the switches, no stickiness, no issues, anything like that. Come around, the wheels are all in very nice condition. The car's been well serviced and maintained. All the stock exhaust parts come with the car, and will pack up stuff by Sleepler to be shipped out for the buyer. Any questions or any thoughts on the car, let us know. We're happy to hear the last minutes. So just use the contact seller button. Also, if you're interested in not to sell a car for you, use the contact seller button. We'll help you out and get you on a trailer. Thank you.